Hey guys, are you want to buy best computer power supplies? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best computer power supplies that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gamemax Power Supplies. This power supply unit is a game changer for high-performance PC builds, offering full ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 readiness. With an impressive 200 total power excursion and 300 GPU power excursion, it delivers stable, reliable power even under extreme loads, making it ideal for demanding applications such as gaming, 3D rendering, or professional content creation. Designed to fully support NVIDIA 40 series graphics cards, it ensures seamless compatibility and maximum performance, allowing your GPU to reach its full potential without power bottlenecks. Whether you're overclocking or running multiple high-end components simultaneously, this PSU provides the efficiency and stability needed for uninterrupted operation. Its forward-looking design makes it future-proof, giving enthusiasts and professionals confidence in their build's longevity. If you're aiming for a high-end system with the latest GPUs and demanding workloads, this ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 ready PSU is a solid choice that combines robust power delivery with reliability and peace of mind. Now our second product is Be Quiet Power Supplies. The Be Quiet Pure Power 13M1000W is an exceptional choice for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking high efficiency and reliability. Certified 80+ Gold, it achieves up to 94.4 efficiency, reducing power consumption, lowering costs, and keeping systems cooler and quieter. Perfect for silent gaming or workstation builds. Future-proof and ATX 3.1 compliant, it supports next-generation PCIe 5.1 graphics cards with native 12V-2x6 connectors, along with 4 6+ 2-pin PCIe connectors for current GPUs. The massive 12V rail delivers 1000 W of continuous power, handling transient loads up to double its rating, ensuring stable operation even with high-demand CPUs and GPUs. Its semi-passive 0 RPM cooling keeps the system silent under light loads, while the high-quality fan activates only when needed. Modular cables simplify setup and improve airflow, reducing internal temperatures and noise. With LLC topology for superior voltage regulation and stability, the Pure Power 13M1000W is a reliable, versatile, and quiet PSU that's ready for today's and tomorrow's high-performance systems. Our third product is Lian Li Power Supplies. The Edge Platinum PSU is a high-performance power supply designed for modern PC builds, particularly those with dual-chamber cases. Its L-shaped design ensures a clean and efficient layout, but for non-dual chamber cases, the system height should not exceed 400 mm to maintain compatibility. CPU cable, 550 mm, 20 plus 4-pin cable, 500 mm certified 80+ platinum. It offers exceptional energy efficiency, reducing power consumption and heat while ensuring reliable operation. Fully ATX 3.0/3.1 compliant, the Edge Platinum meets the latest standards for stability and performance. Built with PCIe 5.1 readiness, it features in-house D12V-2x6 alloy copper soldered terminals, providing secure and high-quality connections for next-generation graphics cards. Additionally, it includes a built-in USB expansion hub with 4 internal USB 2.0 headers, allowing convenient connectivity for internal peripherals. Combining advanced efficiency, PCIe 5.1 compatibility, and smart internal expansion, the Edge Platinum PSU is an ideal choice for high-end gaming PCs, workstation builds, and future-proof systems, delivering stability, reliability, and performance for demanding setups. Now number 4, Segotep Power Supplies. The Segotep GN650 power supply is a reliable and efficient choice for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts. With an impressive 80+ Gold certification, it ensures excellent energy efficiency, reducing power consumption, lowering system heat, and keeping overall costs down. Its non-modular design eliminates cable clutter, promoting better airflow and a cooler system, while the single 12V output delivers stable, high-amperage power even during demanding workloads or gaming sessions. This makes it ideal for systems that require consistent and reliable performance under stress. Equipped with global voltage adaptation, the GN650 can be used safely anywhere in the world, making it perfect for travelers or international users. For PCIe 6+ 2-pin connectors support the latest NVIDIA 40 series graphics cards, and all cables can be routed neatly to keep the interior of your PC clean and organized. Overall, the Segotep GN650 combines efficiency, stability, and global versatility, making it a dependable power supply for both high-performance and everyday PC builds. And our last choice is Vetroo power supplies. This PCIe Gen 5.1 ready power supply is an excellent choice for gamers, PC builders, and professionals seeking top-tier performance. Designed to meet the latest PCIe 5.1 standards, it delivers improved efficiency and stability while remaining fully backward compatible with PCIe 4.0 and 3.0 devices, ensuring flexibility for both current and future builds. Fully ATX 3.1 compliant, it represents the newest and most advanced power supply technology on the market, making it ideal for high-end gaming rigs or professional workstations. Premium 105 degrees Celsius capacitors guarantee stable operation at low temperatures, supporting your system during demanding workloads while enhancing longevity and reliability. With 80+ gold certification, it achieves excellent efficiency, reducing energy consumption and keeping your system cooler and quieter. Its fully modular design allows for easy cable management and customization, minimizing clutter and improving airflow. Combining efficiency, stability, and convenience, this PSU is a reliable, future-proof solution for any high-performance PC build. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.